Well Tower, November 2250 Charlie, inbound from the west, and 2500 looking for visual 22.
Citation 2250 Charlie, call Tower, roger, report the midfield right down on runway 22, current winds 30018, gust 26, and we had a serious report plus or minus 10 knots on file for runway 28 10 minutes ago.
Alright, we'll report midfield right downwind for 22, and we'll keep our eyes on it. Thanks, 50 Charlie.
Citation 50 Charlie, wind 28019 or gust 26, runway 22, clear the land.
22 clear land, 50 Charlie.
9023, gust 26. Charlie, you okay?
Tower, November 2250 Charlie, how do you read?
2250 Charlie, call with Tower, how do you?
We're good. We're off, and everybody's safe. We're exiting the aircraft. No fire.
Number 50 Charlie, roger.
Box 1, proceed via Bravo Papa, hold short runway 42 at all times.
Bravo to runway 22, we're going to go down Papa just so that's living easier for you.
Box 1, proceed as requested, hold short runway 28 at all times.
We'll hold short at 28 at all times, ops 1.